welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you AUTOONE LED light. Let's go ahead and open it. 50,000 hours operating life, and connector is plug and play, and color temperature is 6,000. We have the user manual. It shows how you're going to install it. Let's go ahead and look at the LED lights. As you see, it is aluminum. It's like aviation aluminum. It's very light and sturdy. It's high brightness, long lifespan, and plug and play and off-road. This is 9005 HB3 and H11. First of all, let's go ahead and look at the original lights. This is original lights, and I'm gonna change it right now. Go ahead and take out the old ones. Push it. Oh, it's very hot, be careful. Let me take this out also. These are the old ones. Let me go ahead and install these and see the difference. Let me go ahead and install the other one. Okay, here is the new one. It's LED. It is very bright. I like it very much. The good thing about this, you don't have to have extra parts. This one has the fan and extra attachment to regulate the voltage. This one doesn't have it. It's aluminum. There's one. First of all, install it, and then go ahead and put the cable, insert it. That way it's easy. Right now we install it there and there and there. Let's go ahead and test it out. Seems awesome. And right there, it's not flashing. That's the most important thing. If it's flashing, it's bothering people. That's why I don't like it. Right, let me go ahead and test it out. Okay, we're inside the car. Let me go ahead and test it out. Okay, short range and long range. It's not night yet, but that's okay. Go ahead and change the sky. All right, I changed the daylight to night light. Let's go ahead and see. Alright, you can see how bright it is. Let me turn. Look at the houses.
Thank you so much for watching.